Katie, New York City, the great WABC. Go.
Hi, Mark. Thanks for taking my call.
Yes, ma'am.
I just want to preface what I'm about to say by saying I'm for Israel, our friends and allies in Israel. I think the leaders of Iran need to be done away with. I'm a Republican, as you like to call us. I just want to say, Mark, you know, the left wing, when you see their protests and shouting down Republican speakers, you know, violating their free speech, I see you do that all the time when you tell people to get off your phone and hang up on them the minute they say something that might possibly counter you.
So?
I'm sorry?
So
it's hypocrisy.
What's hypocrisy? When I tell jerks like you that you lie to get on the air and you told my call screener something else to get off the phone?
I'm actually not a liar.
Well, you did lie. You wanted to talk about Obama wants fairness for all.
I do want to
Meanwhile,
talk about that.
Quiet down. Let me give you an example, lady. If I'm sitting at a dinner table with somebody and you're sitting there and you're as obnoxious as you are to me on the radio, I respond exactly the same way. I don't shout you down quiet down. I'm educating you, explaining the difference because you don't have any manners. I would treat you exactly the same way at that table as I do over this microphone. I don't go into an establishment, start yelling at people, making demands at people, telling them that what they're doing is wrong, that they owe me a life, that they owe me an income, that I want them to change the curtains, I don't like the food with all the salt and the sugar. That's the left. Me, when I get a jerk like you calling, lying to my call screener, pretending to be somebody you're not, I address you like this. Get off the phone, you big dummy. Am I right about her, Mr. Call Screener? Right. Now do you understand the difference, Katie, between me and your liberal friends? Probably not.